Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming to another super cool product. This is from Audioengine. You can go to their website at audioengineusa.com. It's their A1 home music system, premium powered stereo speakers. And if you're not familiar with Audioengine, they make really incredible quality speakers. Viewed a number of them on the Chris Voss Show. You can go search for them on the Chris Voss Show to see all of our reviews. And what they've done is they put together the A1 home system where it's basically got a smaller footprint than some of their bigger speakers, less heavy, and they don't take up as much desk space or bookshelf space if you're putting them up on there. And they're designed to where maybe you can move around if you want. So if you want to hook these up to a laptop because you want to hear great sounds instead of, your crappy laptop speakers that are built in, you can do that, but you can easily take and move around the house if you want to, or you're working in different rooms, et cetera, in today's home office environment. What's nice, too, is you can either be directly inputted with the cord, or you can use Bluetooth. They have Bluetooth 5.0. The supported codecs are aptX, AAC, SBC, and they will give you typically up to 30 meters or a 100-foot wireless range. They do really good. They sound nice. We even hooked a DAC up to them, and they sounded a lot better, of course, with the DAC. But on their own, they sound great. They've got lots of nice, beautiful highs, mids. Not incredible in the bass, but, with something this small, you're not going to get a super incredible bass to them. But, enough to make it worth your while. If you're hooking this up to a laptop, you're going to be happy, or a small desktop, or, if you're just really not, wanting to go full bass, if you will. The drivers on it are 2.75 Aramid fiber woofers and 3/4-inch silk dome tweeters. The peak power output 60 watts total. That's 50 watts RMS and 30 watts peak per channel AES with an amplifier type of dual class D. The inputs are either Bluetooth or 3.5 millimeter stereo mini jack, and the outputs are an LFE variable line out 4 subwoofer. Got to tell you, we hooked them up to a $1,000 subwoofer. These little speakers kick butt. They power the subwoofer, and it sounded great. And it was just like we hooked it up to a nice receiver. So there you go that way. It sounded great. We loved the sound of it. The dimensions on this are 6 by 4 by 5.25 inches, 6.75 pounds combined, both speakers. And like I said, the sound was great. The quality is there that you expect from Audioengine, and I would highly recommend them. So be sure to check them out. Like I say, they're easy to move around. They look great. They sound great, and they're awesome, and they're not going to break your bank account. So how about that? We're going to give you a sound profile on these since a lot of people seem to demand this from us on YouTube. The biggest challenge is, unless you really record or mic up speakers well, and unless you're actually listening to them on really good speakers, which most likely you're going to listen to this on your phone where you have crappy speakers, you're not really going to hear the sound quality. There really is no way to replay the sound quality unless you hear the speakers live. Thanks for tuning in. Give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube.